Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
You're listening to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. We're live, local, and interactive, daily, from 5 to 7 p.m.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Your voice matters here.
Thailand's Update.
Sawadee krap and welcome to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98, and you're tuning into our 30-minute special program on Thailand Update, your passport to the incredible kingdom of Thailand. This is business tourism, and our topic is sport tourism, the golf and adventure niche. My name is Peter. Let's get down to it. Tourism in sport is making Thailand a very popular destination, with a growth rate of 14% annually worldwide in this respect. This lucrative business does not only make tourists happy, it is also a very important driver for the local economy. There is an estimation that tourists spend a substantial 10 to 15% of their total spending on certain sports or activities during their visit in Thailand. One of the biggest charms of Thailand is the diversity of activities on offer, inclusive sports and hotel stay, with which fit every person's style. Anyone who loves water sports find actual heaven in the country of Thailand. Crystal clear azure water ranging from Andaman Sea to the Gulf of Thailand offer the right grounds where enthusiasts can dive in headfirst. Legendary diving sites in the Similan Island and Koh Tao are a great treat to watch, while Phuket and Pattaya, the gaudy resort cities on their coast, call visitors to be there to enjoy sun-drenched days and dazzling water sports. Divers plunging into the Thai waters is overwhelmed by the splash of colors and diversity of marine life passing by. Whale sharks, manta rays, and plethora of tropical fish all glide through the water, while the colorful coral reefs meld with every color one could envision. To witness this diversity for oneself is to forget or the unforgettable experience that will leave an indelible mark on all who venture beneath the waves. For anyone looking for pure, unadulterated adrenaline, Muay Thai offers a truly unique opportunity. This is martial art that is inlaid in that Thai culture and history that has acquired recognition and popularity across the world. Visitors will be given the opportunity to witness thrilling matches where the speed, strength, and agility of skilled fighters are on show. Likewise, they were enabled to take part in training sessions to learn how to practice Muay Thai themselves. Indeed, such as a great combination of physical discipline, mental focus, and cultural immersion makes Muay Thai incomparable. Due to the great variance in the landscape of Thailand, every enthusiast who enjoy adventure sport is quite simply spoiled for a choice in its quest for endless possibilities in exploration. For rock climbers, the towering limestone cliffs in Krabi or the stunning mountains of Chiang Mai challenge every climber with strength and will, rewarding them with breathtaking views. These include trekking through dense jungles and mountainous regions that allow one to come across hidden waterfalls, ancient temples, and remote hill tribe village, all of which are indicative of both natural and beauty and culture of this enchanting country. However, this is not all with regards to activities and sport ones could engage within Thailand. From invigorating yoga sessions to the thrill of water skiing, kayaking, paddleboarding, wakeboarding, jet ski, snorkeling, windsurfing, and even parasailing. The choices are literally endless to satiate the sense and thrill of every kind of adventure lover. All in all, it is overt that Thailand offers international tourists unbeatable options to satisfy their manifold preference and thirst for adventures. It is a combination of water sports thrill, cultural enchantment, and gut-wrenching adventure that makes every visitor from any part of the world have experience unlike any other. Sport tourism is a new wave of travel and activities in Thailand that is fast becoming more popular and demand. It is also fastest growing sector at the rate of as high as 14% annually in the world, benefiting not only the tourist but also playing significant role in boosting the local economy. An average of each tourists spend 10 to 15% of the total expenditure on sport or activity he or she wishes to be engaged with, which significantly boosts the economic benefits for the locals. Thus, holidaying in Thailand is not merely restricted to sunbathing on its beautiful beaches or exploring various natural wonders of this country. Thailand has several tourist-oriented activities that perfectly combine sports and accommodation, so one can engage in several exhilarating experiences. This includes scuba diving, Muay Thai, rock climbing, trekking, yoga, water skiing, kayaking, paddleboarding, wakeboarding, jet ski, snorkeling, windsurfing, parasailing, and the list goes on. To satisfy the different tastes of visitors, be it an adrenaline rush of exciting sports or the serenity and its spiritual experiences, everything is here in Thailand. Due to its long coastline, the beauty of nature, and generally good weather, Thailand has been considered one of the sought-after hubs related to water sports. The crystal-clear turquoise waters of both the Andaman Sea and the Gulf of Thailand act as a playground for several water sports, from the world-famous diving sites in the Similan Island and Koh Tao to the vibrant, pulsating coastal cities of Phuket and Pattaya. Opportunities for aquatic adventures are numerous. It's the dream of any scuba diving enthusiast, teeming with colors from coral reefs, enchanting marine life, and captivating underwater landscapes. Thailand is luring not only amateur divers, but also professionals from every part of the globe thanks to its perfect diving sites that present incomparable experiences in terms of fun and breathtaking views. Their underwater landscapes are blessed with several incomparable dive sites that provide great encounters and stunning underwater scenarios to various Thai divers. Dive into the fancy world beneath the waves and see whale shark, mantas, colorful tropical fish, and coral reefs home to various otherworldly life forms. While enveloped in the incredible variety of marine species, sport tourism in Thailand can boast much more than just diving. Muay Thai, for example, or Thai kickboxing is for the thrill seeker who wants another kind of experience, to both be able to view and participate in the national sports of the country. Muay Thai is deeply embossed in Thai culture and history, and since its inception, it has gained great recognition as one of the many forms of martial arts of the world. Centers allow guests to either train in the sports of one of the many forms of martial arts of the world, or enjoy an evening of energetic matches with professional fighters showing their speed, strength, and agility. Feel the raw power and intensity as fighters deliver their lightning-fast strikes, punches, knee strikes, and elbow strikes that leave audience in awe of such skills and technique. Those who enjoy the outdoor challenging activities can consider Thailand's varied landscape as a playground for adventure sports. The rock climber can conquer towering limestone cliffs in Krabi or the stunning mountains of Chiang Mai. Guided by experts and with top-notch equipment, climbers can pit their wits against natural wonders of Thailand while taking in stunning panoramic views. Meanwhile, trekking through thick jungles and rugged terrain serves to expose any explorer to the more hidden gems in the form of grand waterfalls, ancient temples, and remote hill tribe villages. Alright, let's take a short break. When we get back, let's talk more about sport tourism, the golf and adventure niche. My name is Peter. Thank you for tuning in to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 MHz. This is our 30-minute segment of special program on Thailand Update. Stay tuned. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only. Thailand's update.
Welcome back to Chiang Mai Voices on FM 98 MHz. This is our 30-minute special program on Thailand Update, and this is a topic of sport tourism, the golf and adventure niche. My name is Peter. Let's get down to more. For those who enjoy outdoors and challenging activities, can consider Thailand's varied landscape as a playground for adventure sports. The rock climber can conquer towering limestone cliffs in Krabi or the stunning mountains of Chiang Mai, guided by experts with top-notch equipment. Allow yourself to be guided to harmony and self-discovery through timeless yoga teaching as well, while you connect with your surrounding and release into the present. To sum things up, Thailand is more than just a tropical paradise. With a beautiful coastline and natural wonders, it has also become a sports tourism destination with big varieties for every tourist preference, starting from diving, Muay Thai, rock climbing, yoga, and many more kinds of sports and activities you find in Thailand. Now let's dive deep into Thailand as a premier, affordable golf destination featuring over 300 courses with top hubs in Hua Hin, Phuket, Pattaya, and Chiang Mai, and known for world-class design layout, mandatory caddies, and scenic tropical landscape. The best time to visit is during the cooler dry season, November to February, through May, July offers lower prices. For golf enthusiasts seeking a memorable vacation or extended stay to explore Thailand's course, the Thailand Privilege Card offers luxury and convenience as well. Thailand has quickly become one of the world's top destinations for golfers, attracting enthusiasts from across the globe. With its world-class golf course, stunning natural landscapes, and luxurious golfing experiences, the country is a haven for those looking to combine the love of golf with an unforgettable travel experience. Whether you're an avid golfer or simply looking to try your hand at the sport, Thailand golf courses offer something for everyone. And for those holding a Thailand Privilege Card, Privilege Entry Visa, exclusive perks can benefit that makes the experience even more seamless and luxurious. So let's explore why Thailand is a premier golfing destination and how you can make the most of it with the right privileges. Number 1, factors that make Thailand a great golfing destination. Ideal weather. And one of the key factors that make Thailand a top golfing destination is its fantastic all-year-round weather. While some parts of the country experience tropical rain during the monsoon season, Thailand's golf courses are carefully maintained, and the climate remains suitable for golfing almost all year long. Cooler months from November to February are particularly ideal for golfers, offering pleasant temperature and minimal rain. Thailand is also known for its affordability compared to other golfing destinations like in Europe or the United States. You can enjoy a round at world-class golf courses without breaking the bank. Green fees, caddies, services, and equipment rentals are all offered at the reasonable rates, making Thailand an attractive option for both casual and serious golfers. Additionally, luxury resort and golf packages are available at a fraction of the cost you find in Western countries. And Thailand's breathtaking landscape adds another layer of enjoyment to the golfing experience. Whether you're teeing off with a backdrop of lush mountains in Chiang Mai, beside the turquoise waters of Phuket, or surrounded by the rolling green hills of Hua Hin, every round of golf becomes an adventure in nature. Many of Thailand's golf courses are designed to take full advantages of the country's natural beauty, making the sport even more enjoyable for visitors. Number 2 is golfing destination in Thailand. So, Thailand golf courses offer a range of excellent golfing destinations spread across its region, each offering a unique experience for player. Here's a look at some of the best golfing spots in the country. Bangkok may be known for its bustling city life, but it's also home to some of Thailand's finest golf clubs and courses such as Thai County Club and Alpine Golf Club are consistently ranked among top in Asia. Bangkok's golfing scene offers luxurious facilities, beautiful landscapes, and added convenience of being located near the city, top hotel and attractions. Phuket. Phuket is a paradise not only for beach lovers but also for golfer. Courses like Blue Canyon Country Club and Laguna Golf Phuket offer spectacular views of the sea and lush tropical surroundings. After a challenge round, player can relax at the many beach resorts or indulge in Phuket's vibrant nightlife, making it the perfect destination for golf and leisure vacation. Hua Hin is often regarded as the golfing capital of Thailand thanks to its array of stunning courses and laid-back atmosphere. Black Mountain Golf Club, Ban Yan Golf Club are particularly popular with both local and international golfers. Hua Hin's seaside charm combined with its world-class golf resort makes it an excellent gateway for golfers seeking a relaxing yet luxurious experiences. Chiang Mai. For those who prefer cooler weather and mountainous views, Chiang Mai is the ideal destination. Courses like Chiang Mai Highland Golf Resort and Alpine Golf Resort are known for their challenging layouts and breathtaking scenery. Chiang Mai also offers a rich cultural experiences with its temple, night markets, and traditional Thai cuisine, making a well-rounded destination for any traveler. Pattaya is another excellent golfing destination, offering a mix of beachside relaxation and top-tier courses. Siam Country Club is one of the most prestigious in the region, regularly hosting international tournaments. Pattaya's lively nightlife and extensive range of beach activities make it a favorite for those looking to combine golf with fun and entertainment. Alright, that'll be all for today's 30-minute segment of Thailand Update. This is Business Tourism on Chiang Mai Voices FM 98 MHz. My name is Peter. I'll have to say goodbye for now. Take care and I'll see you again. Discover the amazing Thainess of the North.
Explore Chiang Mai, Lamphun, Lampang, and Mae Hong Son, a harmony of ancient culture and innovation.
It's built on STAR. Feel safely secure as you experience our rich arts and culture. See how technology sustains our OTOP crafts, ensuring rights and inclusion for all. Your enriching journey to the heart of Thailand awaits. Safe, diverse, and unforgettable cultural experiences are here.
Come find your Northern Star. Hashtag Thainess. Hashtag Thailand Only.
You're listening to Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM, radio for today's Chiang Mai. We're live, local, and interactive, daily, from 5 to 7 p.m.
Chiang Mai Voices, 98 FM. Your voice matters here.